An exhibition of antiques dating back to the Roman Empire kicked off on Sunday in the city of Xi'an in northwest China's Shaanxi province. China View takes you there.
About 300 antiques dating back to 100 BC are now on display in a museum at the Emperor Qin Shi Huang Mausoleum site in Xi'an. The antiques include coins, pottery, sculptures, sarcophaguses, bronzeware, and jewelry depicting life during the Roman Empire. According to the organizers of the exhibition, all of the items were selected from collections held by 3 museums in the Tuscany region of Italy. Having served as China's capital over the course of 13 dynasties, Xi'an has seen Chinese civilization evolve over multiple generations. The city is known for its terracotta warriors and now serves as a major economic and cultural center in West China. The exhibition is free to the public and is scheduled to last until November 29th.